friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do an unboxing, a handbag unboxing. Want to see what bag I got? Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, I am super excited to share this here particular item. So here is the packaging, you all, and I'm gonna tell you how this all came about. My name is Mo Beauty. I'm gonna leave it across the screen. I don't know or anything like that. I don't know her personally for a while, so I started watching her, and Tom's a supporter of my channel. So something on her community tab, far as something with the Coach outlet, that's what made me click. So this is your fault, girl. I'm just saying, this is your fault. On the tab, and let me just say, I did not know they had this particular bag on their website. Familiar with the Coach outlet, and if you are familiar with the Coach outlet website, you have to go under Coach Reserve. More of the newer version of the Coaches, like the Coach bags, kind of like just left the store, so they under Coach Reserve. You all, I was super excited to get this hair bag, and wait till I tell you how much I paid for it. Like, that was the best part ever. Saving if I can. I didn't use a discount code or a coupon, it just so happened to be on sale. Let me just show you the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you. They stuffed this in my small locker. I almost wanted to die. Like, I was like, really? Male people, I get big boxes, they will put it in like a bigger locker, and they leave a key in my small mailbox, and then I can go retrieve my items, or they will leave it at the front of my door. Stuff this hair bag in that small locker. I don't know, of course they didn't know what was in it, and it is squishy, but at the same time, but anyway, y'all, let me just hush, because y'all don't yeah, I peeked in it because I wanted to make sure, because I'm like, first of all, I was like why it's not in a box? Because usually when I order from Coach, if it's a bag, they usually put it in a box. I was already like, okay, please don't let this be a used bag, because I have purchased from Coach where they sent me like bags from the outlets that they kind of look used, and I ended up sending it back. I peeked and I was like, thank you, because I want to keep this bag. I'm keeping. So when I saw that it was wrapped up like this, I was like, okay, good. Saw the little tab. This here is a Coach pillow tabby. Do an unboxing on the cream color. I will link it up in the card, so you can go check that out. Why I returned that particular bag was because at the time I think I was getting either a Gucci or Louis Vuitton, and I wasn't able to keep both, because at the time that bag was $4.95, and y'all already know the prices of Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Cream back. Now this particular bag I didn't know was on the Coach outlet website. To purchase this bag off of Saks, because it was like $3 something. I kept saying, no, Tamika, that's still kind of high. I just left it alone, and y'all, I paid $190 something plus tax for this particular bag. Yes, I paid under $200 for this hair bag. And when I was YouTube, it was like an ad that popped up. This bag, like on Neiman Marcus and Saks, is still at its original price, which is $5.50, because if y'all didn't know, it did go up in price, because back when I purchased this particular bag, it was $4.95. On the actual Coach website, it is $5.50. To get this bag, I don't even want to say half price, like damn near 75% off. And it's brand new. Our unboxing, and I did, of course, with this here particular bag on the outlets, they didn't have like all the colors. Tie-dye looking pillow tab, and I was just like, do I want that? So I was like, let me go with a red, because I don't have a red bag in my collection. I placed the order, and oh my gosh, you all, oh my gosh, like, this bag is so gorgeous. If it wasn't for me purchasing the things that I purchased back then, I would have kept that pillow tabby. What this hair bag is made of, but it's just so squishy and soft. Issues with the tabby when I first did the unboxing, but since I didn't pay full price, we can look past that. One of the complaints I had was the fact that it's so like thick and cushiony that it didn't hold a lot, but I'm okay with that. Under $200, we gonna make it do what it do. Little Coach tag, and it's also made of the pillow material. I don't know what the material is called. I'll link this bag down below. I'll try and link it from the actual Coach outlet so you all can take advantage. Now I will say the price is not the same. I think it went to like $220. Again, that's still a good price because keep in mind these bags are $5.50. So do get 2 straps. I don't think I will wear the all leather strap. I'm just gonna be honest because this bag is too puffy and big. This here I probably won't use. Here I will use because for me this bag is a good shoulder bag, not a crossbody bag, but I could be wrong. You know, I may switch up and change my mind, but I know for now I will be using the short handle side. Again, you have your one pocket. Then you also have your pocket here in the back. Smells like butter leather, like oh my gosh. Little Coach booklet. You have this here zipper pouch in the middle. As far as the bag, it's covered in the blue, so y'all, and then I'm also happy that it's brand new, like brand new. Pocket in the back, and I'm okay with that. But y'all, if I didn't have makeup on, I would hug this bag. That's how freaking soft this here bag is. Oh my gosh, you all, oh my gosh. And this red with that gold, it's just hitting so nice. And it's not like a I was coming off on camera, but it's not like a dark cherry red bag. It's like slight red, like a dull red. I can't explain it, but you all, let me see what color. Oh, it's called red apple. See, the price back when I purchased mine, it was $4.95. Yeah, you are. I am so happy for my bag. End of the world when I told you I was done with Louis Vuitton. Like, y'all already know I do love Coach, Marc Jacobs and all that. The thing I like more about Coach, if you sit back and wait patiently, a lot of things that you like full price will eventually go on sale. And I think I said that in that video, but at the time, YouTube hyped that bag up so much, I was just like, I gotta order it. Like, I have to order it. See why brands send stuff to YouTubers, because a lot of my stuff I have purchased over the years have been because of YouTube. Like, seriously, you all, has been because of YouTube. Quick, I'm gonna show you what I will place in this particular bag, and I will show you how it looks on my particular body. And though I already have a video on this, I want to show you how the red looks because, you know, I had the cream. I think I would like the red because with the cream, you know, it's real light and I didn't want to have to worry about babying that particular bag. With this one, I don't have to baby so much. Grab my things, my card case, a wallet, Gucci lip, a mirror, and my AirPods, cell phone. It's likely I will be placing my cell phone in this here zipper pocket. Y'all don't know I have the 12 Pro Max, and I always say that because sometimes it's new people that never watch my videos so they don't know. So that's why I always say it, because I know y'all probably like, okay, Miss Tamika, we get it, you have a 12 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max can fit, but you can't zipper it up. Place my cell phone in that zipper pocket, so most likely I probably would place something like this, which is my mirror, lip, and maybe like receipts, because it's so thin. Like, I don't want to make it bulky because it's going to like poke out where I'll have less room in the inside part. This bag, even though it's big, this here, if I didn't mention, is the 26, because they have, I think it's the 26. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it across the screen because they have 2 sizes. The smaller version is just way too small for me. This is the 26, and I think the smaller one is 18. So here is the card case. So like I said, you can't fit much in here. I got it at a good price, and I'm okay with that. Like, I'm okay with that. Just your essentials. And most likely this is what I would carry when I carry this particular bag. I'm so happy I got this bag at a good price. So here is the bag on my shoulder. I said it is squishy. With this particular sweater shirt I have on, it kind of slides a little bit. But that's okay, because I'm gonna make this bag work, you all, because I just cannot believe I got this bag for under $200, you all. Yeah, so I am loving this bag with my collection, and you know, all my bags are girls. So yes, you all, I am so happy I got her back in my collection. updated video on this particular bag, because I usually share the bag, and then I put a few things in it just so y'all can really quick see how the bag looks with stuff in it. And then in part 2 I will get into more details regarding the bag, probably share this strap, different ways to carry it, because like I said, this is strictly the unboxing. Super excited. I'm gonna try to get this video up really quick so I can link this here bag down below. So like I said, link the website, because again, when you go on the Coach Outlet website, click under Coach Reserve first, you would get the bags that just left the Coach store. If I'm wrong, let me know down below, you all, but I think that's how it goes. This here video, because I'm ready to go. I am on my way to TJ Maxx, and I'm thinking of doing a shop with me video, because I haven't done one in a while. Enjoyed this here video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.